A non-roadway intersection refers to a point where vehicle paths intersect or cross, but at least one of the paths is not a public road. These are areas where a driveway, private road, parking lot exit, alley, or even a bike path meets a public street. Examples of non-roadway intersections: a car exiting a driveway and entering a residential street, vehicles exiting a shopping center onto a main road, cars coming out of an alley and turning onto a road, gated communities or business parks connecting to public streets, intersections where bike trails or sidewalks cross a vehicle roadway. Key safety note: drivers exiting from non-roadway intersections must yield to all traffic on the main roadway. These intersections are not controlled by standard traffic signs or lights, so caution and yielding laws apply. Where driveways, alleys, parking lots, or bike paths meet public roads are often overlooked in driver training, yet they account for a significant number of low-speed, high-risk collisions, especially involving pedestrians, cyclists, and backing vehicles. Always yield when exiting driveways, alleys, and parking lots. Stop before the sidewalk or curb, not just at the edge of the road. Check mirrors and blind spots for pedestrians and cyclists. Use headlights at dusk and dawn, even if it's not fully dark. Back out slowly and be ready to stop immediately. Be especially cautious near schools, playgrounds, and shopping centers.